If you use crystallography, and I've just had my water tested using crystallography just recently with a German group, but these are the crystals that you would find in crystallography. So even if you put your cell water under there, you would find these crystals. So a crystal is made up of many, many planes, horizontal and vertical planes, and depending on the water source and its quality, this crystal structure can change. So all water has its own distinct crystal structure, and that can be changed by adding frequency to it or using the devices I've invented. Bulk structured water is coherent and it has a blue colour. You can see that image on the right. That is a river in New Zealand, and because it's so turbulent and it's emitting this green colour or blue colour, and they say it's just a combination of oxygen that is green and hydrogen that is yellow, and you put the two together and you get blue. I'm not sure if that's right, but anyway, that's what the literature's saying. We have lots of structured water on this planet. I mean, you don't have to go out in the national park out here and find pristine streams of beautifully structured water. And anyone who goes bushwalking or hiking would find this water. So flowing water can actually clean itself. Now, this is an important point because it's lost on government. So the electrical and physical and chemical and biological processes are all parts of the self-purification ability of structured water. So the water out here in this national park is actually cleaning itself because of the negative charge. It will exclude, we now know from work from Professor Pollack, the water around your cells has that capacity. For example, it knows how to control sodium coming into your cell and how to maintain potassium inside your cell. There's a whole range of exclusion going on in your cells to maintain your homeostasis. So the flowing water excludes or neutralises chemicals back to an elemental form. So if you take fluoridation is made up of three elements: fluoride, silica and sodium. Now water in its most natural state will just energetically break those bonds between those chemicals, and you go back and say in the water now you have some fluoride, some silica and some sodium, but you don't have fluoridation. So I've invented devices that know how to do that. But there's many other things going on in water through the entrainment of scalar energies, the transformation or exclusion of materials. There's things like cavitation. I'll show you this all to you later. So there's natural processes along with the water turbulence and the vortices of the water. This is part of the cleaning process. So these changes in water properties or states are explained by the first law of thermodynamics. So anyone studying physics will know this. And that law says you can't destroy matter, you can't destroy energy, you can only change it or transform it to another state. So that's a law. And I don't see any reason not to believe it. However, water does seem to defy the second law of thermodynamics, because you can take water to its absolute dead state with a positive charge and reverse it back. So water, you'll never kill it. It'll never die. It'll always be here. It's not like us. We don't have an inbuilt, life expectancy. But water can flip from entropy, or decay, and you can flip it back to syntropy, which is life affirming. This is the magic of water. So let me talk about water consciousness. The idea that water has consciousness or awareness has been around for a long time.